He was arrested 4 times, released thrice, and has 4 pending cases against him. Who's this we're talking about? Savaka Shankar, a Tamil YouTuber and activist. Once again in the headlines, this time for his recent detention under the Gundas Act in connection with a ganja case in Tamil Nadu. Shankar and 2 others were arrested in May for possession of 500 grams of ganja found in his car. The Thene District Police also arrested Mahendran, who allegedly supplied ganja to Shankar, seizing 3 kilos of ganja from his residence. So Savaka Shankar is a controversial YouTuber, a notable figure in Tamil Nadu's digital media, known for his controversial views on politics, on judiciary and on societal issues. His critical stance has made him a rather polarizing figure. Savaka Shankar first gained prominence in 2008 by leaking recordings that exposed illegal wiretapping by the Tamil Nadu intelligence. See, he's said to expose corruption through official sources and RTI applications and started Savaka Media on YouTube to highlight lesser-known contributors and critique the state government. Initially critical of the AIADMK, Shankar shifted his focus to the DMK in 2021 once they came to power, accusing it of involvement in drug cases and targeting the chief minister as well as his family on social media. Now, Shankar's recent arrest adds to his long history of legal battles. He's faced multiple charges and legal fights over the years. In May 2024, Savaka Shankar was arrested by the Coimbatore Cybercrime Police for making derogatory remarks about women police officers during an interview. The comments, which alleged that women officers offered sexual favors for promotions, were obviously deemed offensive and therefore led to his arrest. During his transfer to Coimbatore, the police vehicle carrying him met with an accident, resulting in minor injuries to Shankar and 2 police personnel. Now he's been arrested again in August 2024 by the Tamil Nadu police, this time for allegedly making derogatory remarks about freedom fighters. In 2008, he was arrested for leaking sensitive information about a corruption investigation in which he was later acquitted. In 2014, he was detained in connection with his controversial website, savakaonline.com. He was released on bail after 21 days of being behind bars, and his website was also shut down. Now, in September 2022, Savaka was sentenced to 6 months in jail for contempt of court over derogatory remarks about the judiciary. He was released on bail in November 2022 after the Supreme Court suspended the verdict. Now, Shankar has been booked under multiple legal provisions, including sections of the Indian Penal Code, the Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Harassment of Women Act, the Information Technology Act, and all of these cases now being detained under the Gundas Act, a stringent law often reserved for habitual offenders, allowing essentially for preventive detention.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.